Hello, I'm Rajini and I'm the counselor here at Nehru CI Kodar. And I would like to share my views about how we go about counseling in the school. Actually, we at Kodar here believe in inclusive education. Inclusive education means that each and every child has the right to education, and no matter what his disabilities are or whatever drawbacks the child may have. Therefore, if you see in our school, we admit students who are autistic, we have children with learning disabilities, we have a student who is having a Down syndrome. We ensure that all these children have an equal opportunity to learn and to grow. Therefore, as a counselor here, my duty is to guide teachers to handle these children better. Now, in every class or in every school, you have children with learning disabilities. There are children who are dyslexic, there are children who have dysgraphia, so dyscalculia. Now, as a counselor, it is my duty here to guide teachers handle these students better, and also help these children handle these little disabilities that they have better. I also play a role in helping parents understand their students or their children. As the children grow, especially when they reach adolescence, they change, and parents find it very difficult to handle their own children when they reach adolescence. So, as a counselor, they come to me and I help them understand that the children are changing, they are growing. We try to help them understand the changes that they will see in their children, the changes that they can foresee, and therefore prepare better to handle them. I also am a part of the team of teachers. We sit and plan out strategies to handle children with behavioral problems. A lot of references that come to me are for students who have behavioral problems. They may be hyperactive, some students may have problems with discipline, some students may have problems with application. So as a team, the teachers and I sit together and strategize as to how each of these students need to be dealt with in class, and also they are a part of the team, that is the student, the teacher and the parents. Therefore, I have regular meetings with teachers and parents as well in order to understand the student better and strategize so that the parents know how they are to handle these students at home, the teachers know how to handle these children in class, and I as a counselor am there to guide them overcome whatever minor and major problems they may have. I also am here to problem solve issues that come up in class, like we have a zero tolerance for bullying and ragging. So if there are instances of some children teasing the other, I am here, the students immediately approach me, and as soon as possible we try to resolve this issue before it kind of escalates. So I would like to say that here at Kodar we are very open to the students, we are very approachable to the students, and I have the full support of my principal and all the teachers who work here with us. We work as a team, and I hope that the students benefit hugely from this. Thank you.